Once known as Disney Studio One, the heart of Walt Disney Studios Park has undergone a dazzling transformation. Now called World Premier, this reimagined space marks a major milestone in the ongoing evolution of the second park at Disneyland Paris, which will officially become Disney Adventure World with the opening of its new extension in 2026. World Premier now welcomes guests with the glamour and excitement of a classic Hollywood movie premiere. Stepping inside, visitors find themselves beneath a permanent starry sky, surrounded by nods to both Disney magic and Los Angeles elegance. Whether they choose to dine at the Hollywood Gardens restaurant, shop at the stylish Mickey's of Hollywood boutique, or simply wander and admire the rich theming, there's something cinematic around every corner. This area also serves as a central hub, guiding guests toward World Premier Plaza and leading them into immersive worlds like Marvel Avengers Campus or the much-anticipated world of Frozen, set to open in 2026. Though the on-site construction only lasted a year, the vision began much earlier. Imagineering Paris started planning 3 years ago. They began by crafting a new story for the space, analyzing the original building structure, and testing design ideas. Then came the task of choosing the right materials and techniques to bring their vision to life, all while working within the bustling environment of a fully operating theme park. The project required close collaboration across many disciplines: artistic direction, architecture, engineering, and more. When the transformation was complete, the Imagineers celebrated with a group photo, capturing the people behind this ambitious achievement. And the journey isn't over yet. World Premier Plaza will continue to evolve over the coming months, getting everything ready for the next big chapter in 2026. At the Hollywood Gardens restaurant in Disneyland Paris, the new World Premier menu brings Hollywood flair to your plate. Burger fans can choose from 5 themed meals, all with fries or salad and a drink. Highlights include the crispy Superstar Burger, €20, the fish-based Premier Burger, €19, the beefy Spotlight Burger, €19, and the vegan Holly Red Boulevard Burger, €19. Prefer something lighter? Try the Sunset Salad, vegan €15, or the classic César Award Salad, €15. It's a star-studded dining experience, perfect before your next Disney adventure. The curtain has officially risen on the stunning transformation of Studio One at Disneyland Paris, now reimagined as World Premier. From the moment you step inside, the new architecture, atmosphere, and music sweep you into a cinematic dream. It's an experience that genuinely wows. Every inch is filled with hidden details, inviting guests to pause, explore, and discover the stories tucked into every corner. It's a masterful redesign that blends storytelling with style, and the scale of the project is nothing short of impressive. That said, a couple of small things caught our eye. One missing piece was the iconic plaque once seen at the Disney Theater facade. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. Its absence is felt, and while the new background music sets the scene well overall, a few tracks feel slightly out of sync with the glamorous Hollywood vibe. Still, this transformation is a huge leap forward, and a must-see for every Disney fan.